This week's Spotlight Mondays episode will be very special to people who have kids because today we are going to be talking about an innovation by the leading diaper brand in Sri Lanka. Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from AndroDollar.com. If you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now and let's check out Sri Lanka's first diaper subscription app on this week's episode of Spotlight Mondays. When I say the leading diaper brand in Sri Lanka, I'm sure the name Velona Cuddles will come to your mind if you watch a lot of TV. Velona Cuddles is the leading baby diaper brand in Sri Lanka with the largest market share in this segment. Recently, they launched a diaper subscription app that lets people order diapers online. I was at their launch and they wanted me to check out their service and give some feedback. Not only did I try it, I also showed it to people of this target segment and got their impressions on this too, and the response was quite positive. So in this video, let's check out the first diaper subscription app in Sri Lanka by Velona Cuddles. This kind of subscription app will make it convenient for any parent to easily have diapers at your doorstep. First, let me show you how to get the app. It is available on iOS and Android. You can find the direct download links in the description below. After opening the app for the very first time, you have to first sign up for it. You can enter your email and phone number and login, or you can use your social profiles for the login. There is a security verification with your email and phone number. Once it is done, you are taken to the home page. Here you will see a subscribe now button to see the bundles and offers section. At the top right of the home page, you will have access to the settings too. Here you can manage your details. Hitting on subscribe now on this app will show you the available bundles. Clicking on a bundle will give a description about it and let you select the diaper size and wet wipe type. Clicking next will take you to the order details page where you can enter the child's name, date of birth, delivery frequency, which lets you pick between every 2, 4 or 6 weeks and select whether you want it now or later. This late option is called delayed start and it is for pregnant moms so that they can set start date to sync up a couple of weeks before their expected due date. Clicking on next will load your address and you have to select your city and provide all your delivery details. Management of Velona Cuddles told me that they will deliver it to you no matter where you live in Sri Lanka for free. That's pretty sweet. Clicking on next here will load the payment gateway for you to proceed with the payment and you will get an email with your order confirmation once you have made the payment. After you register for this, you don't have to worry about shopping for diapers because the diapers will be at your doorstep based on the schedule you set. There are actually some extra features on this app too, like creating multiple profiles and subscriptions for your kids through the account dashboard. There is also an easy to use sizing slider to help parents choose the best fit for their child. You know, the best part of this is not just getting the diapers to your doorstep, it's the added discount you get when you order in bulk. Not only will it be convenient, but you will also be able to save money with this service. Check out the offers section for their latest deals on their other products on top of this. You can try out the Velona Cuddles application from the link in the description or let your relative with a baby know about this fast and convenient way of getting diapers delivered to their doorstep. You don't really have to step out of the house anymore to get diapers thanks to this. I spoke with some people who had used Velona Cuddles before to check out how good this diaper is, and based on the people that I spoke to, this is the diaper that a lot of people keep using. I had a chat with the management of Velona Cuddles to check the reason behind their success, and they told me the main reasons for the brand's popularity among Sri Lankan mothers is the special design that makes it suitable for Sri Lanka's extra humid climate and the fact that all its diapers are free of the harsh chemicals that is found in all other diaper brands. You can visit their website velonacuddles.com for more information and find them on social media for all the updates and offers on their products. Never run out of diapers again with the new Velona Cuddles app. The link is down below in the description. If you found this information useful, share it with someone you know who is in the stage of needing diapers, and follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. Subscribe right now if you're new to my channel, and check out my other tech videos at youtube.com/Andro Dollar, and hit on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a new video here on YouTube. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.